Well, we found the camp robber. He got in my Milano cookies last night. And he's been robbing the campsite here for a couple days. Sure is cute though.
Hi, Chip Mom.
And Alan brought us homemade, homegrown chicken eggs. Made a salmon omelet here with cream cheese. That's gonna be tasty. Huey's waiting for droppings. Today, Sunday. Look at this killer omelet, garlic bread for breakfast on the holy day.
On the salmon.
The summit, the summit. Come here, Chippy. We got Huey over here. And Chipmunk over here. He's not scared. He's cute.
Hello, my dears. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.